Today we're checking out a door for safety and reliability so you know what to look for on your garage door. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open the door manually. I'm going to check the weight of the door, see if it's making a bunch of noise, and it works smoothly, and this one does, so I'm going to call it good. So you have an extension spring with no gaps, so it's in good condition. It has a shackle spring, so it's going to last a long time. And it has a safety cable, which we love to see because it prevents injury or damage. Over here we have a cast iron pulley, requires no maintenance, and it's the best you can get. We have the operating cable with no frays or cuts in it, so no worries here. Now these happen to be sealed bearing nylon rollers, which means the nylon material allows the door to roll through the track quietly. The sealed bearing means no lubrication, so these rollers are not going to need to be changed for a long time. Let's take a look at the door sections. No broken glass, no dents or damage, insulated panels. No problems here. So taking a look at the motor, I see it's a belt drive DC battery backup motor manufactured in 2015. The door's been well maintained, so it's going to last quite a while. Door has bottom rubber that's in good shape, has vinyl stop molding preventing any air infiltration, so the garage should stay warm in the winter and cool in the summer.